Good morning, everybody. Friday market situation update. Your favorite show is back today, guys. Here's what we're going to talk about. Canadian Swiss franc is back under the spotlight today with an interesting update. That's on this video. Next video, cryptocurrency market. We're heading back to the Bitcoin. It's turning around, and we want to do something about it. So that's what's coming on the next video. Let's go right ahead, dive in. Canadian Swiss franc has been all over the place, right? It's been a bumpy ride, to say the least. Let me tell you this: we've made a very wise decision to get out right here at this point. Right, we got in when price action was starting to push against 71.89. Remember, that's where we got in before price action even broke 72.35. We jumped ahead of ourselves here. We jumped the gun. We felt that it was coming. It sure was. We managed to catch that crazy day, and right at the at the top of that day, at the top of that move, sorry, we've noticed price action was struggling with that 200 daily moving average. And since it was such a strong single day move that helped us capture such a nice profit, we were very much interested in securing that profit. So we decided to get out. Simple as that. Just closed out that position, even though our target was 73.27 right from the get-go. And it still is, by the way. But again, I remember thinking that this might be a mistake, because price action probably is going to smash that moving average the next day. And I felt a little bit, I had some mixed feelings about that decision. Now looking back at it, obviously it was a good decision. Price action completely collapsed from that point, you know, hitting that moving average. And we were just waiting patiently to see what's going to happen. Price action is now, check it out, just coming off of 72.35. That's a strong, very strong support level, the mid-low key level here in this blue system. And price action behaves like this for a reason. I believe this technical correction is probably about to become history. Price action is going to start turning around from here, and it's all going to be all up, all the way towards 73.27. That's a big one. And the previous highs, so I think it's going to go even further towards 73.50, 73.60, right? But this is it. This is the moment of this, the money time right now. Moment of truth right now. 72.35 is pushing against price action. We can see that clearly. I want to show you that level coming from the weekly chart, guys. Just so you can see that this whole, this whole move here that was quote unquote crossing below 72.35 was nothing but a spike coming from the weekly chart. Check it out. Here it is. See how price was just spiking the hell out of that 72.35 level. And again, last week it completely crashed that level with a close way above, right? This month coming down but not really breaking below, just testing it. So I think it's turning around, and it's going to be back on the upside, and like I said, chasing 73.27 and possibly beyond. So you already know about the general overview that we have on the situation, but now you also know our immediate game plan for what's happening right now. We just pulled the trigger with 10K, and we are willing to push this position bigger once price action begins to turn around and produce some positive momentum. Last before we go, stop loss level is at 72. We're back on track with the Canadian Swiss franc. That's the highlight of the day today, guys. Closing out the video, moving on to the next one. We gotta visit the Bitcoin. It's been a while. It's time. See you in the next video. Take care.